Okay, this is Paul, and this is just a really short video to show you how to go about the process of installing and accessing R and RStudio on your computer. I'm working on a Mac, but the steps are not significantly different on a Windows platform, so this should be of use to both groups of users. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to find R. The website is in the syllabus, but it's held at a place called CRAN. On the website, the Comprehensive R Network, R Archive Network, CRAN. And when you click on, if you just search CRAN in your web browser, the first place it will take you to is the R archive. And at the very top of this page is the links for where to go and download it. You should download R and then download RStudio and then install R and install RStudio. RStudio is basically a graphic user interface for operating R. If you don't have R installed, then RStudio won't do anything because it doesn't have any underlying code to operate on. So I'm going to download R for Mac OS, and so when you click on that, it's going to give you the releases, the versions of R in order from newest to oldest. So you could scroll down and get older versions of R, and you might want to do that, for example, if you don't have an updated version of your operating system. So, for example, if you have Snow Leopard on your computer rather than whatever the latest version is, which I think is High Sierra. So if you have a new computer, an updated computer, then get the R package that is suitable for your operating system on your computer. So click on that. It should download it automatically. When it is done downloading, you should be able to go to your downloads folder, and in this case, I can see it progressing as it goes. And once it has downloaded, all you have to do is click that executable file, and it should give you a set of dialog boxes that will allow you to install R on your computer. If it asks you whether you want to do something during the process of the installation process, your general goal should just be to click yes. Yes, you want to do that because yes, you want R to be on your computer. I'm not going to go through the process of installing R on my computer because it's already installed, but this is where you find it and how you download it. So once you've installed R, then go back to your web browser and search for RStudio. And it would help if one could type correctly, RStudio. And when you get to RStudio, once again, it's a graphical user interface. It also has downloads. Go to the products page, go to RStudio, and when you get to RStudio, it should give you a couple of options as you scroll down, RStudio Desktop or RStudio Server. Since you're putting this on your actual desktop computer, you want to click RStudio Desktop, and you want to do the open source edition, not the pro edition, because you probably don't want to pay $1,000 a year for RStudio. So when you click the download tab, it will take you to another page where you will choose your version. Once again, you want to choose the free version. It's going to just keep asking you this until it is convinced that you really want the free version. And then it will take you to another page that will then ask you what your operating system is. And of course, you are going to be doing this in either a Mac or probably a Windows format, unless you have some other sort of operating system on your computer. Once again, if you click on this, it will download a disk image to your computer. And when you once again go to your downloads, you will see in your download folder that the R package has downloaded and the RStudio package has downloaded. Once you have installed R, then you can click on the RStudio DMG and once again, it will open that up and put it into, on the Mac, it will put it into your applications folder. On the Windows version, it should put it automatically into your programs. So if I go to my applications, I see that I have R right there, and if I look around, let's sort these by name so that I can find things actually. So there's R, and then 2 slots down is R Studio. And once you have those two things on your computer, when you click on R Studio, it should open R, and so you can test that to see that that is the case. And that's really all you have to do. Now you'll need this loaded on your computer in order to do the homework that is scheduled for Wednesday, so see to this relatively quickly. And thanks for watching.